Lee, the rental guy here. It's off season, just before Christmas. The kids don't have school, so Levi's at the shop with me. So the nice thing about having a shop is there's room for RC cars. So as you know, I've gotten into some warewashing, and I do stock lots of glassware, but not as much as I show on my website. So every time someone orders something that I don't have, I just pick it up as I go.
Hello, Party Rentals.
Last summer, I was getting calls for barbecues every week. I'm not missing those phone calls again. Plus, I have the warewashing department, so I'll be adding more of these items, right? And so it doesn't just start with the barbecue. You add a barbecue, but then they rent all the stuff that goes with the barbecue with add-ons. Those are add-ons, you know? The flippers and the chafing dishes and whatever goes with the barbecue. Today, I bought a new griddle, and so I'm going to be setting it up. I got it from Princess Auto, but I've seen them at Rona, and I've seen them all over and basically they're a 4-burner breakfast propane griddle. And why do you care about this? Because you want to see more of my vlog content. Plus, when I'm making a video for you about barbecues, I'm also making a video for my website about barbecues. I'm going to put it on YouTube for my channel so that it'll spike in SEO and all that stuff. So I use all my video clips and recycle them. So the video clip that I made for you, I recycled it and made this video clip for my Facebook page and my YouTube and my Instagram, blah, 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 blah. Always recycle your footage. You never know when you can use it again. Hey, it's Lee here from 306 Party Rentals. I accidentally burned dinner on the griddle. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made? No? Okay, sorry, let's get into it. Nothing like making bacon and eggs in the morning and then burgers in the afternoon, all with the griddle. This bad boy has 4 separate burners, hooks up to a regular 20-pound propane tank. It's on wheels for portability, and it's super easy to clean. It's got a cast iron top with a non-stick surface. That's it. So if you need anything for barbecue season, if you need skillets, barbecues, chafing dishes, cooking equipment, fondue, blah, 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 you get it. Come to us and we will be able to help you for your barbecue rental needs for events. I'm sweating in my eyes here, but see, there's corner pieces there. What's up, guys? So taking these things down, one side down. So not that I'm starting a fashion vlog or anything, but my wife bought me this Carhartt hat, and it's actually made so that you can sweat in it. It'll resist more sweat and it'll hide the sweat. Obviously it's winter and I haven't been able to really sweat in it, but it's a good durable hat, and I'm gonna buy a bunch for the guys. My wife bought them for $25 each Canadian, so I don't think that's that bad. And yeah, these are the new hats that I'm gonna be using. This area needs some cleaning up because I need a place where I can fix things. I'm gonna hold my tools right here, but I'm going to be fixing things right here, and I need components. So right here in this box, I keep my electrical stuff. So there's cords and blah, 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 blah. And then there's tools here, but I need place for parts and, you know, to be able to repair these things and test these things. So I'm gonna grab a few more of these shelves right here. I ended up my day off with a meeting with Bookable. If you know Bookable, that's the software that I use for my event rental company. I was speaking with somebody who is working with marketing with them. Ken R. Young, his name is. Anyways, so we were deciding what kind of video content I should be making with Bookable. But this guy's pretty cool, you know. I checked him out, and he does glamping business. So, you know, as I've been trying to branch into other areas, you know, something unique that the other 10 companies aren't doing out here is glamping, glamorous camping. So here's a little snippet from his channel, and maybe you should go check him out.
And you're wanting to make some extra money, a little side hustle, running a glamorous camping business. Hey, what's up? My name is Kenny, and in 2020, I started a glamorous camping business out of my garage, and it quickly became a pretty big success on accident.
If you haven't already checked him out, and Marvin Rentals and blah, 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 blah. And yeah.
We've been building out our policies and our contract, and we began building the website, which I'll show on the screen here. Kind of a 3-year plan of how to phase into bigger things, bigger and better things.
Finally, a little bit of organization around here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video and like to see vlog content, well, press that like button or leave it in the comments so I know to make more of this style of content, this day-to-day vlog stuff. We'll see you on the next one. You stay classy.